Who needs e-learning? Various market research shows automation and new technologies result in the liquidation of existing jobs and the creation of the new ones. However, unlike previous industrial revolutions, the last one, digital, has a much higher entry point. In order to work with machines and get one of these future jobs, we must in many cases reskill or at least digitally upskill. The life of our competencies on the market has shortened to 2 to 5 years. This means that we can forget about one job for a lifetime and enter the lifelong learning path. Nowadays, e-learning becomes mainstream as there is no alternative. Regardless of the size of the organization, its dispersion or technological advancements, all companies must train employees regularly and can only do it online. Let's start with what does not matter anymore when implementing e-learning. The size of the company, budget, available IT resources are elements that in the past every company that thought about e-learning had to have. However, with the popularization of cloud solutions, all these limitations have disappeared. E-learning has become available to everyone, individuals, small businesses, universities, and global corporations. Moreover, each of these units gets access to resources of the same high quality. But let's consider where and who benefits most from the transition from classroom to digital training by summarizing needs and business specifics. First, access to knowledge. Let's start with the fact that many small and medium-sized companies cannot afford regular employee training. Classroom training is often more expensive and requires employees to disconnect from the work for the whole day or longer. E-learning guarantees access to knowledge in the format chosen by us at the place and time when we need it in a shorter time. Additionally, we can participate in the training many times. Second, distributed structure. In an organization where employees are scattered across the country or globally, meeting training needs in a traditional way would be a considerable organizational and logistical challenge. How to ensure equal access to knowledge for all? Thanks to e-learning, we can organize events for all employees at the same time and give them access to training catalog as they can use it at any time. Third, high employee turnover. Most companies allocate huge training budgets to recruit and onboard new employees. It's even more painful when we compare this data with the number of people who leave it in the first or second year after joining the company. One of the many advantages of e-learning is scalability. We can train subsequent groups of employees regardless of their size, maintaining a constant high quality of e-learning and user experience. Next one, high competitiveness of the industry. The next beneficiaries of e-learning will be all organizations operating in highly competitive industries requiring frequent release of large amounts of various types of products on the market. When changes occur frequently, updating employees' knowledge becomes crucial. Digital formats guarantee that we can quickly reach every employee and give them access to the necessary training or the opportunity to participate in an online meeting with an expert. Last group, high market dynamics. The situation is similar in industries heavily dependent on changing laws and regulations. Wherever we need to update knowledge quickly, the online format will work best for a large number of employees. Everyone is benefiting from online training at the moment. Apart from business world, also universities and schools, producers who wish to educate their customers, local government units in the framework of social campaigns or promotion of region, and individuals wishing to improve their skills. Depending on needs, all these organizations can offer internally or externally organized webinars, e-learning courses or materials prepared by the top quality experts, universities and training companies. I hope that I have convinced you that it is worth getting interested in e-learning, regardless of whether we are thinking about our own development or we need to provide access to training for employees in our company. I encourage you to learn more about designing effective and engaging online training and see other videos. See you online.